All right, we're going to find the derivative of this function using the limit definition. So we're not using the chain rule, we're not using the power rule, we're using the definition of the derivative. So remember that f prime of x is equal to the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. That's the definition of the derivative. Okay, so what is f of x plus h? Let's see. It's going to be the limit as h goes to 0. So we're going to replace all of our x's with x plus h plus 5, and then minus the square root 2x plus 5. All of this over h. Now, if we were to plug 0 in for h, we would get 0 over 0, which is a do more work situation. So when we're trying to find limits where we have 0 over 0 that involve radicals, we often use the conjugate. So if we multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of the top, so that's going to be 2x plus 2h, if I distribute that 2, plus 5, plus the square root of 2x plus 5. And we're going to do that to the top and to the bottom because that's really just 2x plus 2h plus 5 plus this. That's really just multiplying the entire fraction by 1, which doesn't change it. So we multiply and we end up with that squared minus that squared. So now we have the limit as h goes to 0, 2x plus 2h plus 5 minus 2x plus 5. And all that's over h, and then this piece that we multiplied to the bottom, plus the square root of 2x plus 5. Now, if we distribute that negative and then combine like terms, they cancel, and you're left with 2h on top. That h cancels with that h, and we're left with 2 on top. So now when we plug in 0, the top goes to 2, and the bottom goes to 2 of these, because the h went to 0. That cancels, so we're left with 1 over the square root of 2x plus 5. Now, some of you are saying, I want to use the power rule and the chain rule. Well, let's just check our work with that, right? So if f of x is equal to, let's first write it as 2x plus 5 to the 1/2. And mind you, we got this rule, the power rule that we're about to use, by using the definition of the derivative. So that's why we get to. So let's check it out now. So 1/2 2x plus 5 to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside, which is 2. So those 1/2 and 2 cancel with each other, and we can move that square root to the bottom. And we do, in fact, get what we get using the power and chain rule. But if your exam says to use the definition of the derivative, then you need to use the limit definition.